In this video, we will cover how to identify if the data card is correctly inserted on the Ag Leader PF3000. To be able to tell if the data card is correctly inserted into the monitor, look in the upper right-hand corner of the monitor screen when you believe the card is correctly inserted. If the card is inserted correctly, a data card in slot icon should be present. As you can see, no icon appears on my screen, meaning my card is not correctly inserted. If the icon is not present, carefully push the card into the monitor a little farther. Select the correct card type, or press cancel. Select the correct card size. And as you can see, my card in slot icon is now present. If the icon is still not present, remove the card, flip the card over, and try and insert the card that way. We have now covered how to identify if the data card is correctly inserted on the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.